Your add to cart addiction just got a serious upgrade, and your new personal shopping assistant is ChatGPT. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. OpenAI has just launched Shopping Research, a game-changing tool that promises to make holiday shopping smarter, faster, and far less stressful. The feature has rolled out on mobile and web for free Go, Plus, and Pro users. The tool is designed to help you find the best deals and make informed purchases without juggling dozens of browser tabs. The problem with AI shopping until now was bots often struggled to tell if a price was truly a steal or if a deal was actually worth it. Shopping Research fixes that. Using natural language, you can describe what you're looking for, from a quirky frog-themed gift to the best TV for a sunlit living room, and ChatGPT will guide you step by step. The process is interactive and intelligent. ChatGPT asks questions, scans the internet, and delivers a customized buyer's guide that compares products, highlights differences, and prices. Whether you're shopping electronics, beauty, home, kitchen gadgets, or outdoor gear, it's like having a personal expert in your pocket. Pro users get even more perks, like Shopping Research is integrated into ChatGPT Pulse, offering proactive and tailored recommendations based on past conversations. Right now, purchases are completed through retailer sites, but OpenAI promises direct buying with instant checkout in the future, making the AI assistant even more powerful. This holiday season, Shopping Research gives you the way to skip the tabs, find real deals, and shop smarter, all with ChatGPT. So, are you ready to buy? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.